Salt Lake.
Look, there goes that train.
And none of them are.
Oh, that's big.
Oh, look at that train.
Oh,
The best way to go anywhere was by
I go
train.
to the rabbit.
I think this is so cool how they've done. No, we're staying here. This train's going on.
I mean, it's all the
That train's going north and we're going south.
any store that you
When I walked through there one morning before they opened, I saw the window, so I thought they.
Brooklyn, New York, to Seattle, Washington.
Oh.
When I got out of the Army, came from
People are willing to
7
spend,
days
they're
on a
open,
ship
they're
and
hard to
3.5
find.
days on a train.
The rest of the year, you're lucky you see 10 people in there.
Yeah,
There's never anyone in
it's really
Got out of the Army, Fort Lewis,
I walk through
Washington.
it almost every time I come down.
And they shipped you cross country on a train.
Yeah.
I would not use
Went across the ocean on a ship.
Yeah, that train's going the other
That's a
way.
long.
They hadn't invented the airplane yet.
Apparently, yeah, that was back when you had to ride dinosaurs to school, right?
Right.
We don't have the church paying for things.
Well,
And I think that's
partly what's also.
Should have brought my little back
they tore
pillow.
down the convention center when it wasn't that old.
She's just watching everything.
She can barely see.
And they just think nothing of
She's like,
tearing down.
wow.
She's got such long eyelashes.
Now maybe all
Well, you know, you have
cities
too
are
much
like
money.
that.
Or it's too much money to have.
She's all in her green on St. Patrick's
You
Day.
know, like the government, you don't spend it, you don't get it back.
Brixton, and let me see your shirt.
The next station is Farmington.
Show me your monkey.
Be considerate of others. Keep
And there's your-
conversations and audio low. Headphones are required.
That's your St. Patrick's Day shirt. My Irish Charmers epic.
Well, that's right.
We're riding a train on St. Patrick's Day with Grandma and Grandpa.
See, Papa, Papa,
Yes,
Papa.
And Mama.
Sis.
That's what I was telling you, Ed.
Right.
Baby.
And
Called
baby.
it another name though.
Legends.
Up.
Legends.
Okay, turn around and I'll do it up for you.
The theater on the
Are you watching Grandpa?
gigantic sports bar.
No.